Hey, John Ferguson Smart here. You all want fast test automation. Everybody's asking how you can do test automation faster. And so we look for tools. We look for magic tricks. We look for artificial intelligence. We look for low code or no code tools. We look for all these things that the vendors tell us can make us go faster. But in fact, we're asking the wrong question. When we want to go faster, what we don't want to do is write test automation faster. That's the superficial answer. That's not the real goal. The real goal is to make automation deliver value faster. And the way you can do that is not by using low-code or no-code scripting tools or magical solutions that enable you to record and replay faster. No, that's not the solution. The real solution is to engage earlier and to come up with a tailored specification by example or executable specification model, which you can do as a low-code solution, but it's your own low-code solution. You build it yourself. You tailor-make a low-code solution with your own code. You write it yourself. And that way, you can truly scale. You can engage with developers. You can get developers in on the act so that they do automation as well. So you can drive the whole code process. You can define executable specifications at different levels right through the process. And you end up delivering high quality software with very few bugs much faster than you would earlier on, because you're leveraging automation to make your process go faster, not just your testing. So that was what I wanted to explain today. Thanks for listening, folks.